Hi guys, it's exactly 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Before you start asking me why am I saying Nigerian time, set, what, whatever, I guess you'll find out as this vlog continues. Say hello. Where's that one watching? She's thinking about her life. Say hello. Don't do. Yeah. Okay, say hello. Isn't that hello? So this vlog is just strictly going to be the whole process, checking in, passing through the immigration, whatever, boarding and take off, and yeah, so that's what it's going to be about. I'm flying KQ, and yeah, like I said, as this vlog progresses, we're going to know exactly where we're heading to.
We are just approaching the airport, and there is serious traffic at the entrance. Anyway, we'll have to get down here and have to just find our way to my terminal. Finally guys, I got into the airport. I had to leave my sister and my friend outside. They were not allowed to come in. There was a fire outbreak, so it disrupted everything, and they didn't allow anybody that was going to fly into the airport. So this is me looking for my check-in points. They changed everything, so I had to go upstairs into the new terminal to check in.
I just got checked in. I won't even lie, I'm stressed out. They've asked us to fill a departure card, and I think maybe when I'm more relaxed, I'll tell you guys about how this has gone so far. I won't even lie, it's an hassle. I'm just 1 hour away to the departure time or something, so let me rush.
My fellow first-time international flight travelers, there are a couple of things you should know before you go into the airport, right? And this is just so that you don't get confused or you don't know how to go about navigating the airport. Now, the first thing you need to do once you enter into the airport is to search for your airline and check in there. Now, usually what they do in check-in is to check in your luggages, and just to ensure that your luggage do not exceed a stipulated weight. If it does, it means that you have to pay some extra amount. Now, once you're done checking in, a boarding pass is going to be issued to you. What you need to do is study the boarding pass very well, so you can know your flight number, you can know your seat number, you can also know your boarding gate. Sometimes it is written there, sometimes it is not. If it is not, please check all the terminal boards that you have on the the information board that you have in the airport, so that you can locate your boarding gate. And this is me looking for my boarding gate right here. So once you're done with your check-in, you proceed to the passport and immigration control. Then they check your document to ensure that you are fit to travel, and once you are done with that, then you go ahead and look for your boarding gate, just like I have done right here.
There is a whole lot I want to say. All I know is that I am stressed. I'm 100% stressed. So there are a couple of changes that I encountered here. The first is they changed the whole, I don't know, the routes that we used to take before. Usually when you come in downstairs, you see the check-in points and all of that. But this time, I heard that we had to make use of a different location because of the fire outbreak that happened like a week ago. So I got to the airport like around 7 or thereabouts. My dear, this is almost 9. This is almost 9. They're calling us, so I think I'll have to leave right now.
Finally guys, we just concluded the pre-boarding checks. So this is usually the last stage before boarding the airplane. So this is just me waiting, and I also do a video for you guys when I am boarding the airplane, hopefully. And that's just about it. I've been stressed, I'm currently exhausted, but I'm just grateful that So far, so good. Gotten to this point in the journey. So see you guys.
So guys, after waiting like forever, we finally boarded and yeah, we've not left yet. We will be leaving soon, hopefully. And, yeah,